Hi, welcome to philhome.com. Today we're here at Portofino Heights. We're going to take a look at this house inside. It's a Raphael model that has been modified. So let's go ahead and take a look. I'll first go inside and then I'll go around the outside of the back of the house to show you every aspect of this house. It has an automatic garage door opener, and we'll come in here to the front. Have a little lion fountain here. The door to the left is to the garage. So we come in through the main door and you walk right into the living room. And as you can see, there's a lot of space in here with ceiling fans, plenty of lighting. And to the immediate left here is the guest CR. As you can see. And then there's like a mid living room here with fan, sliding glass door to the back porch, side porch here, and then we can have this divider here, which you come into the dining room area with nice light fixtures. All the rooms have aircon. Then we come into the kitchen area. We have a storage space here too for storing things. As you can see, the kitchen, stove area, and then built-in ref into the wall. And then if we come back up in this area here, you have a dirty kitchen. You have a maid's area here with CR. More of the dirty kitchen here in the back, and a door to the side part. And then here is a driver's room, which is access through the garage, and here's another access to the garage. So let's move on back through here. Okay, and we'll go up the stairway now. Like I said, this is Portofino Heights Raphael model, and as you can see, the light fixture hanging down through the stairwell. So let's go ahead and go upstairs. The wood here on the stairs is tangili, hardwood. See, and you have your light fixture here. Goes all the way to the top. So coming up here to the left, we have a bedroom here to the left. And the bedroom has built-in closets. And this bedroom has a CR with full shower. And then directly across from this bedroom is another bedroom with built-in closet here. And more built-in closet right there. And then, of course, there's a CR for this bedroom with also another full shower, complete bathroom. Unfortunately, there is a renter here and we can't go into the master bedroom, but this is the access to the master bedroom. If you come tripping or something like that, we can probably take you in there and show you the master bedroom, no problem. And then over here is another bedroom, which is towards the front of the house. And this bedroom has built-in closets, as you can see. And then it walks into a bathroom with a tub and shower, CR and sink area. Okay, let's go up to the top part, which is what the Raphael is famous for. It it has an area up here which you could set up as an office or some type of thing over here. So you have this space up here. Then it goes all the way down to the ground floor, as you can see. Then there's a door that you can go out onto this roof deck. And you can see down to the side yard, which is off the living room and kitchen. So then we'll go back down and I'll do a walk around of the outside of the house and show you the garage. So let me make my way down. More built-ins here. Little desk. Really nice flooring. Portofino Heights is an exclusive village. It's got an incredible clubhouse. Great place to go and hang out by the pool at the clubhouse. Now let's go out towards the front. Now cut through this door into the garage. As you can see, the garage has a sliding door, automatic sliding door. And I'll just pan around. They're using it for a type of a lounge area. And as you can see, that door in the back, that's the driver's door. So let's go down the driveway here. And I'll cut over into the side of the yard. So you can see how big the backyard is. They got these stepping stones. And I'll just pan around from here so you can get an idea of the neighborhood and the landscaping. Lots of trees shaded from the sun. It's pretty cool here. And you can see the back porch. Now you have plenty of space back here if you wanted to make a swimming pool or something. You have plenty of space for a small pool. I'll step around here to the backyard. Let's see, they got space up against their neighbors. Nice tree here to block the sun, keep the heat off the house. Little patio area here in the corner. And then you got stepping stones down the side here. But instead of going straight, well, no, see here you can see, here's the access to the back dirty kitchen in the maid's area. And so show you the gate area there, but I'll cut through the house just to give you one last preview and then come through the garage area. See, so you have access to the garage also. This model is actually one of the famous models that's used in Portofino Heights and Portofino South. And I'll show you a little bit of your neighbors. If you're interested in this house and you wish to come look at it, you're right next to this nice house. And you can see you're in like a cul-de-sac kind of thing, turnabout, with a nice garden area. And we'll look down here to your cross neighbors. As you can see, got Porsches and things here, and Range Rovers as your neighbors. See, you have this garden area in the center. So we'll cut back around through here. As you can see, the house in the background. So I'll walk back this way. Nice tree out front here. Give you a nice view from the front of the house. So I hope you enjoyed this tour. Again, this is Portofino Heights, and this is the Raphael model. It was owned by an architect, and he modified his house and did a lot of upgrades. So if you like what you see, go to philhome.com or go to Philhome Facebook, and you can see this listing there, or you can just read the description below and find out all the details. And if you like what you see, then you can contact us and we'll have a broker bring you out here and show you the house. I hope you enjoyed the tour and have a nice day.